Hey YouTube, hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is the Accelerated Forex. In our previous video, we spoke about order blocks. There are different types and how to identify them. We also learned about the significance of knowing order blocks. In that video, I promised that the next video will be on understanding market structure, learning about support and resistance, also learning about market structure shifts and change of character. However, in this video, I want to be sharing with you my journey so far on the Alpha Capital Profile Challenge. So let's get into my Profile Challenge account. So I started off this week missing a lot of trades because I didn't really plan the week very well. However, I got some trades and I ended the week in a 2% drawdown in the 5K account. As you can see from here, this is the $5,000 account and I have an equity of 4,902. That is almost around 2%. Yeah, because 2% will be $100, right? Yeah, we have 4,000. Well, I have 4,900. That's like 2% lost so far. Let's break down the whole week, what happened during the week. So I took a number of 5 trades during this week. As you can see from there, I took I entered with an average lot size of 0.52. Okay, and you can see from here I didn't trade on Monday and Tuesday. However, I took some trades on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Let's look at what happened on Wednesday. I took a loss of $40 on GBPJPY. That was the only trade I took that day. So let's break down my trade on GBPJPY. Let's look at the trade I entered and let's do a quick analysis on that trade. Okay, so this is a trade I took on Wednesday. This is the trade I took on Wednesday. You can see clearly that it went straight to get my stop loss. So why did I take this trade? I use different concepts in trading. I use order blocks, I use fair value gap, I use trend lines, basic trend lines as support and resistance, other concepts. I use some other concepts as well for confluence, but I may not be able to explain everything right here. Okay, so we can see right off here that we have an order block here. It's price was expecting price to tap into come down. Remember, in the rules, I want to risk 1% on my account and target 2%. So my risk to reward ratio on this challenge going forward is always going to be 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so price came here and then boom, went against me. That was for Wednesday. Let's move to the next day. So that was I lost $40 on this trade. So let's move to Wednesday. What happened on Wednesday? I took a trade on GBPJPY as follows. So let's look at the next trade on GBPJPY. Because I was still anticipating for a sell on GBPJPY, I took another trade here. So let's look at why I took this trade. Basically, there was a liquidity grab here. I swept this liquidity here, and then I was expecting a sell this trade, but let's look at what happened. Price moved against me right here. Boom, it's what they sold against me. So let's look at the odd card trade I also took. So that was on Wednesday. Let's look for the odd card trade. Okay, so I saw this simple change of character from this area, and then I decided to wait on the retest or the retracement to enter and trade. I was anticipating for a buy on odd card. Okay, price definitely came into the area and price whipped me out and then went into my favor. So you realize that I could have placed my stop loss a little below this region or in this region. If you are trading, you know that this is a and low where I can actually keep my stop loss. But I decided to keep it under this kind of thing that from the fair value gap. I entered off with the concept of fair value gap right here. So, if I place my stop loss maybe a little bit here, maybe here, and still targeted 1 to 2, I'm sure I would have still made it. However, that wasn't what I did. I placed my stop loss right here, and price will make me out a little bit about 0.3 pips. You can imagine. Well, 0.3 pips, and then went in my favor and even went up. Yeah, Friday I took how many trades? I took 2 trades on Friday. I took one on hot card, and then another one on USDT price. So let's look at the next trade I took on hot card. So on hot card, I was still waiting for a buy, okay, because I knew price will definitely run up. I targeted this area, okay, and supposedly this also worked me out. I not just worked me out, actually ran into my SL, my stop loss, before later going up in another direction. Then let's look at the last trade I took. Okay, the last trade was on USDJPY. Let's look at that trade. Let's look at USD. Okay. I was assuming the week wasn't a good week, so why not just wait patiently for next week? However, I woke up today and I saw interesting trade on USDJPY. As you can see from here, I entered on the retracement on this USDJPY in the 5-minute time frame. You can see I took my first trade here. So you can see price just tapped into my entry and then moved up and targeting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay. They also remember that I stated that I am allowed to scale in on my trades. So what happened was that when price came to 1:1 risk to reward, what did I do? I took my stop loss to break even. Okay, I took my stop loss to break even, and then I allowed the trade to run into the next targeted area. Okay, so I wanted to scale in. I wanted to add more positions here, so I waited for a retracement on this area. Okay, I waited for a retracement on this area. When price came into my area, price almost tapped into my area, so I missed this trade. Well, this area is a higher time frame order block. I was expecting price to tap into this area axis, so I waited for a retracement and then wanted to enter here. However, I didn't get my trade triggered. So price came, almost triggered, and then went straight into profit. So I was hoping that these 2 trades should break me even, because these are both 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trades. And so what will happen is that even if I'm able to take wins on these 2 trades, meaning I'm clearing all those 4% losses I made during Wednesday and Thursday. However, this one wasn't triggered, just this was triggered. So this cleared me out 2%. This cleared me out of 2%. This could have also done so same, but it's really happening that way. I didn't enter this trade on just the Alpha Capital Pro Firm account. I entered this trade also on a different account, and it wasn't also triggered. So that is the journey so far on the account. Yeah, I'm hoping that in the next week or in the coming days, I'll get more profitable trades, or I'll get more trades that align with my strategy and my trading style, that I'll build this account. Like I said, I'll be sharing with you both my profits and my loss. I'll share with you everything throughout this journey. I won't hide anything from you. Okay, so I'll keep on updating you. Then subscribe to this channel. I'm also joining our Telegram channel. I'll also be looking into adding more content to this playlist. This is a smart money concept, also ICT concept. If you want to learn more about these concepts, you definitely need to subscribe to this channel and keep an eye on this playlist, because I'll be sharing more videos. Like I said, the next video will be about understanding market structure and also learning about the CHOP, the MSS, the that's whatever you know about market structure we taught in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.